Hey, you guys, it's Mrs. Alexander, and today we're going to be reviewing coordinate plane vocabulary, something we got to just practice, and we're going to actually plot points on a coordinate plane and then connect each point with lines so we can see the data that we plotted and also be able to analyze it. So the first thing, the tips. Remember, yes, you guys have got this. Remember, while you're writing your ordered pairs, X and Y, we write it in ABC order. X is always first. Remember to find the X, you're walking along the bottom number line like you're walking across the floor to an elevator. The X coordinate is the one on the horizontal line that is vertical. So that's like getting in the elevator and pressing a number. Are you going up or are you going down? Remember, everything starts at the origin at 0, 0. So right here, we're practicing plotting. Circle, I see my circle. I'm going to go over 9 and up 1. So right here, I'll write 9, 1. So let me quick make this. Yes, I got to make it here. So right here, I'm going to write 9, and here I'm going to write 1. Let's quick do the star. 2. Now we got to figure out how far I go up. I've got to push 6. Great job. And one more, the triangle. Yes, 4, you guys, and 10. Great job. I'll let you finish the rest of those, and we're going to keep moving on. Today, we're going to expand your knowledge of coordinate graphing by plotting real-life data and then analyzing it. So let's go. Let's go look at real-world graphing. Raffle tickets sold. So we have the week it was sold and how many were sold. So here we go, you guys. Week 1, they sold 15. I'm taking my dot. I start at 0. I go to 1, and I've got to go to 15. Well, one of the first things I notice is I'm seeing 50, 100, and 150. So now I've got to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so what am I doing to get to 50? I have 5 lines right here. Okay, so if I have 5 lines and I'm at 50, yes, I'm going up by 10. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Great job. Yep, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 110, 120, 130, 140, 150. Great job. We're going up by 10s. So here we're going to have to just judge it the best we can. So I'm going to take my first dot. I'm bringing it over. I'm at 1, and I go up 15. So I know the first line is 10. The second one is 20. So I know I need it in between those 2 lines. Do the best you can. So now I take 2. I go over to the 2, and I go up to 50. That one was kind of nice, all right? 3 is 70. So I'm going to take my line, go to 3. Here's 50, 60, 70. See how I just kind of moved up 2? Because I'm counting by 10s. Now, number 4 is 95. So I'm going to go up here to 100. And I know 95 is right below it. And it's not in number by 10. So I know it's in between 90 and 100. Oh, I moved that down just a little. See, sometimes it's difficult and it's okay. We just keep moving forward. Now I'm going to go to 5. I'm going to go to 100 and go 1, 2, because it's 120. Okay, and then 130 for day 6, which is 1 more above. Now that I have that, it is now time to do my lines. Now, I go right here. See this line? I'm going to click on it. I'm going to hit line. I always start off at my origin because on day 0, they sold nothing. So I'm going to click. I'm going to get it to the best I can. And then right here, line color, line weight. I'm going to put it as 3. And now I'm going to hit the line again. I'm going to start at the dot and go to my next dot. I might have to do some adjusting to make it look a little better, and that's okay. I'm going to hit the line. and then I'm going to do it again until I have all my lines in. If you notice, I have to keep adjusting them a little bit so it gets to be a little straighter. It's not going to be perfect, you guys, and I'm okay with that. Just do the best you can. I hit the line again so I can get it, and then I've got to make sure I do 3 acts, hit the line again. I'm not too worried about if it's straight or not, you guys, just as long as you get the idea of what it should look like. I'm not going to make it where you have to be perfect. Do the best you can, because I know I still struggle with even when I'm doing dot to dot, I struggle a little with making sure my lines stay straight. But do the best you can, and that's all I'm asking. Okay? Yes, I'm trying to make mine a little better. And if you notice, I just adjust a little bit at a time. It's one of those things, if that makes sense. Okay, so that looks a little better for you guys. Not perfect. So now that we see that they keep going up each week, let's go look at our questions. How many raffle tickets did Bella sell during week 3? So let's go look at week 3. It says 70. So I'm going to go right over here. I'm going to take my little red dot. I'm going to put it over C because that says 70. See that? So during which week did Bella sell the greatest number of raffle tickets? So I'm going to go over here, find the greatest amount, and see that it's week 6. So here I'm going to take it and I'm going to bring it right down to week 6. Great job. During which week did Bella sell the fewest number of raffle tickets? Do you guys remember what week? Yes, great job. It is week 1. So I'm going to put it right there, week 1. How many more tickets did Bella sell during week 2 than during week 5? So I'm looking at week 2 and week 5. So let's look at week 2, 50. Week 5, 120. What is the difference? What does difference mean? Yes, you guys, it means we need to subtract. So I'm going to take this 120 and I'm going to subtract 50 from it. And the answer is, yes, great job, you guys. It is 70. If you struggled with that, go ahead, write the problem on a sheet of paper. 120, subtract 50, and you get the answer. As you're going through this, take your time, read the data, and have fun with that. While you're doing it, remember to smile, giggle, and wiggle, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.